Hello everyone, this is Abdul Hadi, your O&A level economics teacher. I myself am an ACCA graduate and I've been teaching O&A level economics since 2018. Now let me tell you something. Economics is a study of social science. It's not a part of commerce. When you pay taxes, you see consumers, you see producers, you see government, how they operate. You need to learn the basis behind it. Economics is a nightmare for students. They fear economics so much that they fail to understand that they see economics and they implement economics in their daily lives. With one of my students securing a world distinction in A-level economics, we together are going to dive deeper in the knowledge of economics. So it is very important. It doesn't matter if you belong to an IT field or if you are from an engineering background. It is very important to understand how economy functions. So that is the reason why I'll be joining Sceptre College for the session 2025 to 2026.